Some basic concepts of chemistry. Chapter number 1, 11 Science, Part 6. Hello students, I am Madhu Sinha, your chemistry teacher. In this video, we will be discussing about some of the numericals based on empirical and molecular formula. Let us understand it with the help of following questions. The question is, the compound contains 54.2% carbon, 9.2% hydrogen and rest oxygen. Determine its molecular formula if its molecular mass is 88 U. For solving this, we will first make a tabular form. In this tabular form, the first column gives you an idea about which elements are present, then mass percentage. Third column says atomic mass, atomic ratio and simple ratio. Now, which elements are present in your compound? You have written down those: carbon 54.2%, hydrogen 9.2% and rest is oxygen. That means percentage is 100. So just total 54.2 and 9.2 and subtract it from 100. You will get the percentage of oxygen. Now fill the columns. What is the atomic mass of carbon? 12. We know this. Hydrogen is 1 and oxygen is 16. Now we will calculate atomic ratio. Mass percentage divided by atomic mass gives atomic ratio. 54.2 divided by 12. 9.2 divided by 1, 36.6 divided by 16. Try to get your answers till 2 places of decimal. When I solve this, I get 4.51. Don't round off anything out here. Just whatever you are getting, you will just put down till 2 places of decimal. No rounding of the numbers. Now, how to calculate simple ratio? Look at this atomic ratio. Find out the simplest, the smallest of these. The smallest ratio is this, 2.28. Divide all by 2.28. 4.51 divided by 2.28. 9.2 divided by 2.28. 2.28 divided by 2.28. When you solve this, you get 1 here. You are going to get 4.03 here. And we get 1.98 here. Now here we can round off. 1.98 is approximately equal to 2. 4.03 is equal to 4 and 1 is 1. Now write down empirical formula. Formula is equal to 2 is the number of carbon atoms, so 2. 4 is the number of hydrogen atoms, so 4. 1 is the number of oxygen atoms, so 1. Now calculate empirical formula mass. Mass of this 2 into 12 plus 4 into 1 plus 16. Find out the total mass of this. So when you calculate this, you get 44 plus 16 plus 4. 44U. Right? Now I will find out the value of a constant factor N. How will I find out? Molecular formula mass upon empirical formula mass. What is the molecular formula mass? It's already given in the question, 88U. So 88 divided by empirical formula mass you have already calculated is equal to 2. Now we know that N multiplied by empirical formula gives you your molecular formula. So value of N is 2. What is your empirical formula? C2H4. 401. So when you multiply this, you get your molecular formula: carbon 4, hydrogen 8, oxygen 2. So this is your molecular formula. Let us see another example. Determine the empirical formula of an oxide of iron in which mass percentage of iron is 69.9% and that of oxygen is 30.1%. Here we are asked only empirical formula. We are not asked about the molecular formula. So we have to solve only one step in this numerical. So I have already written the table: element, mass percentage, atomic mass, atomic ratio and simple ratio. Now the elements present is iron 69.9%, oxygen 30.1%. Atomic mass of iron is 56, oxygen is 16. Now how we will calculate atomic ratio? Mass percentage divided by atomic mass. 69.9 divided by 56. Oxygen 30.1 divided by 16. Solve it. When you solve this, you get somewhat like this and 1.88. Calculate only till 2 places of decimal here and do not round off. Now look at this. Which is the smallest one? 1.24 is the smallest. Divide both of them by the smallest one. 1.24 divided by 1.24. 1.88 divided by 1.24. When you calculate this, you get this as 1 and you get this as 1.5. Now in the previous numerical we have rounded off, but whenever you get 0.5, remember that when you are getting 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, round off to the previous number. When you are getting 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, round off to the next number. But when you are getting 0.5, how to make it whole number? Multiply it by 2. When you multiply 0.5 by 2, you get 1. Keep this in mind. Less than 0.5, we round off to the previous number. More than 0.5, we round off to the next number. But when we get 0.5, we will multiply this by 2. So to make it equal, we will multiply the above one also by 2. So now here it is 2, and when you multiply this, it becomes 3. So we can write down empirical formula is equal to how many number of iron? Fe2. How many number of oxygen? O3. This is your empirical formula. In case you are asked to calculate molecular formula, then molecular mass must be given in the question. Then you find out the value of N by dividing molecular formula mass by empirical formula mass, and then multiply empirical formula by N to get molecular formula.